guys, welcome back. You see all three of us? This is why we actually came to Washington. Help a friend get his car back on the road and do what we all love to do, and that's stomp that go fast pedal.
Yeah, and this is why we're doing it.
There he is right there.
That's my dad, Dennis.
So we're going to take and see what we can get done. We're going to put an engine in, we're going to adjust some torsion bar supports, and possibly change out a rear end. So come along with us as we get started. Going through, chasing threads, make sure everything's good. If you look over here, Jason's underneath trying to take apart the torsion bars to reset the torsion bars on the front. You can hear them going at it. Ian's over there taking some stuff apart. So each one of us is all doing different stuff. Scott's underneath the other side of the car working on that torsion bar. So now you see what we're doing. Alright, between Jason and I, we have got this threads clear. We've got some light buildup off the cylinders. And we're going to get ready to clean up the decks again and put these heads back on. We're definitely going to start with this one, but headers are going in over there. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, you can still see a little bit of one over there. And we're live. All right, we're going to... We got ourselves a gasket on. Cylinder head is back on. Yes, we still need to clean this part off, but one thing at a time. We cleaned this with steel wool and then with a razor blade, so that's good. Blew everything out, made sure everything was good.
I'm gonna spray in the fans and get this all over you.
Okay, and Jason's sitting there trying to pollute the atmosphere with brake clean. They're getting me oil for the threads for the bolts, and we're moving along on this. Just got some porting to do, or some torquing, and cylinder heads are back on. Okay, we're working on installing the valve train. That's all back in right now. We're getting this car ready to go drop down. Ian is over there putting the live onto a charge so we can see, and we're debating whether or not we're putting the engine in before lunch or after. See, kids, if you're good enough, you can actually get a profession where you still get the finger paint even as an adult. See, we got gray and black on this one, and it seals. We can see we're missing the engine over there because it's hanging here. We're getting that stuff ready. About to put this on. He's suspending everything so that we go in easy. We'll see how this all goes together. We got a flex plate to put on next.
Oh, he's pivot.
Yes.
Well, I didn't know that. Okay, go up.
What do you know?
No. You go back at all?
Back up?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I mean like backwards.
Oh, well, you sit back up.
Yeah, you can go back up, but I get it. Now you can go up.
I'm against.
Now you can go up.
I'm against stuff over here, so
I can steer it.
On this side.
Just don't drop it
That
down.
side. I'll do it.
Don't mind
Yeah, I'll do it.
I got it. Don't get underneath it. Get
Yeah.
over on the other side over there. You want me over here?
No, I just don't want you to push on this side because you'll tip it. Okay.
So leave the bar underneath there and shove it.
Go up.
Kind of go hole in the ground here. On the floor.
that should be clear right there.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my best. Just like,
You why? And he laughs.
Jacked him in the knee with the screwdriver.
I didn't hit play.
I did.
Okay.
Now we could get it in.
I know. Beautiful.
Okay. Come down a little bit.
It's not working. Where's the other knob?
We need to go.
You need to come toward me.
You.
And that's fine, but once it gets down in the engine compartment.
Timber.
My bad.
Okay, you can come in a touch and toward me.
One time I need to scratch something.
Port side. Scott, can you grab my jack that's under the driver's door? Hang on.
Where I
Let the
am.
jack down just a little bit.
Coming down.
Slow.
Whoa!
Or fast.
I need to come back up.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Okay, perfect.
Jack up the car a little bit.
Up.
No.
Not you. Trans down.
Okay, coming down.
Just a little bit.
Okay. There's a gap under it.
I know. Just leave it there a second.
Got a bug crawling in my ear.
The jack's still under it, though, right? Can you
Uh,
lower the chamber just a touch?
actually, it's not.
Just,
Yeah,
it's under the trans. That's not, something happens with the fall.
Yeah, we're good.
The gaskets get in on this side
Where the motor mounts.
before the gets pinched in between the steering and
Okay, do you want me to
the
try to?
gaskets up
Do we
there
want
on
to
the-
drop it for a second and
those
pick
heavy
up at
gaskets
the?
up there.
Yeah.
We're in the trans.
We're in the trans.
I want to see if I can.
All right.
Oh, no, the other. Just put a
I'll
bolt
get
in it.
Alrighty. I can't move.
This stuff?
That actually went in. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Header gaskets.
Where's the button? Huh? Button.
Oh.
That was easy.
Hey!
That was easy.
There we go.
Hey.
Mine still wasn't recording.
Kind of
when
like
I did it.
There we go.
I need.
I listened it all.
Don't worry. There's like two
At
other
least you got
cameras.
it, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll share the memory in my.
Or just touch it to see if it even does anything.
Yeah, turn it. There we go.
And nothing. It's just not doing anything. The ignition's not in the column.
Yeah, ready.
Hey,
It's kind of loose in there. If you push it in and
push in. Oh. Ready?
Yep.
See it?
It's trying.
Big clickies.
Yeah.
Alright, so. Oh, that battery.
you got a battery charger with a quick charge on it.
I have no idea. I pulled it out of the garage. It could be dead as dead.
Got voltage. I don't know how much though.
Hold on there a second. Oh, I'll probably just die. We got something to jump in? Oh, I have my box. Hang on.
That would have been bad.
I've got that other battery.
After a short delay.
Got a battery charger with a quick start on it. I'll say one thing about you guys. You got me walking a whole lot better today.
Yeah,
I'm not sad with that.
I talked to
Oh, that's
Mom
loose.
earlier. She said this is the most Dad's walked in quite a while. You know, it's-
You want to tighten it?
I got it. Fingers and toes gone.
pinched by a door opening.
See if it does anything. Sounds like a ground.
Oh, stop.
Starter hooked up?
Nope.
Details.
Oh, that was dumb. Take that out. And I thought about it because I got it out so you can tighten it up. Right, a bunch of fingers, toes. There enough.
The wire. See the wire right there.
I know exactly where it is.
All right, I need a jack.
Pull it up here.
So premature. We got to rehook up the starter.
I purposely left it off because of the header. That's dumb.
Sure, which one?
Close.
right up.
All right, turn it
Didn't
off.
even crank over.
I think that woke everyone up.
What?
All right.
You missed everything.
Yeah, I was like, oh,
I don't know when it's gonna start though.
sounds good, huh? Now the neighbors are awake.
That's
How does that feel?
4 for 4.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh man. Mighty damn good.
Tanya says it's alive.
Yeah, it lives. It's alive. Holy crap! It's
Yeah,
alive.
it's loud,
Woo!
man.
Dude,
All
my
that.
ears are done.
All that.
All the shit is loose. That was what to hold my brain with.
Okay. Got a pretty good rattle to it.
Yep.
Good feel.
Watch
Oh,
it.
good jack there.
It was.
All right. Drew, hold this.
Healthy before.
Hold this. Don't turn it off yet.
It feels out there now.
Holding it
It's,
now.
it's
Yeah.
live.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Oh, we got fingers in the way.
So this was.
Sorry, something went wrong.
Nope.
Okay.
Wrong thing. Here we go. All right.
They wanna
How do
see
you feel now?
Fantastic. Totally awesome.
That was a little quick.
I didn't even expect you to go that quick.
I mean, I know what it's like when it's a long time for me.
It didn't even crank over, it just
Well,
started right up.
I think the timing's close. Oh,
You
yeah.
know what we have to do.
We all need the easy button. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
That was
That
easy.
was easy.
Easy.
Well, this is kind of a bird's eye view from the guys. We got Jason, Dennis, Scott with an S, Judah, Ian, and myself, Stephen Hoach. We just got finished doing something that has been really satisfying, fun. So
Definitely.
let's walk through it.
Damn, those things are.
What we got here is a car that had been wrecked, and because of physical issues had thought to be dead. Well, they got it straightened back out again, but from circumstances the engine was sitting over on that stand over there. Now it's in here. We've proved it. It'll run, it'll drive. Only thing we got to do now, as you can see, we got the suspension sorted out with the brakes. So why aren't we driving it right now? Well, reason is that little master cylinder there, and we got to take and put in a proportioning valve. Unfortunately, those won't be here before we could go, so we're not going to be able to show you from us it driving. However, we are going to be able to take and show it based on footage from Scott, and this is going to be a good fun one here. So if you got a friend out there who needs some help, go help them out. You never know. There's going to be a time in your life when you're probably going to need help, whether you're young, whether you're old, whether you're down, or whatever you need. In fact, Jason is playing around right now with the fender that came off of that car. That'll give you an idea. This is the hood off of it. So from that back to having hope, just drive it.
Gas in. My fucking phone didn't record. Now I'm mad. It probably needs fuel in it. I don't know if it's got anything hooked up to it.
All right. Yep.
What?
Out of gas, but we still got it to run. Just drive it.